So this is Siem Reap Airport. Welcome. So you see it's open air here. Yep. Go first, lady. Go first. Open air. Siem Reap Airport. Everyone. Yeah, straight down that way is the baggage clam. So we're gonna go head down the baggage clam. So the tour is very clean. Looks like no one has been here to
brand new tower.
bring your towel. Yep.
A bit of a delay today as well.
Yeah. Well, what about the open space here? Like they got the window here set up.
Yeah, it feels very open. It's very hot.
But it's hot. That's the only problem. I'm recording.
I think some of them do, isn't it?
So the toilet here is styled differently. It's a different style toilet. It's like Cambodian style toilet. Very different, but it's good. Very good service. Love the country. This is the new Siem Reap airport. Mày đây cái đau đây này. Mày đây. Cho một đau phim.
Đó, quay nhiều vào đó nè.
He said it's hot today, humid,
Hot mà, xếp trên năm nè.
and he's starting to feel a bit sweaty, humid.
Trong nhiệt mục đó nè.
Okay, let's go. Nhìn mày. Tao ở hỏi. The toilet một tiết các bạn. So it's up here it's humid, and yeah, basically it's just open air walkway here. So I'm heading to the baggage claim up here. So down there is where the departure. I think departure up down there, and the arrival is up here. Oh, there's a car here, emergency car as well. So we come and check some issue before. Tell them to be quick, because they're waiting. Huh? You already sweating already?
Yeah.
Yeah, why? What?
I'm wearing singlet jeans on.
Yeah. Alright. So what normally happen now is we get the baggage and then we go through the inspection, visa check-in, check-out. Okay, let's go. Cái máy cái đăng à? Cái đăng đó là máy đó. So we guys through the baggage check-in now. Yeah. So this is the vehicle. There's the tail there. So what happened is we go through a baggage claim, get all our baggage, and then we go through the inspection. And that's so maybe wait till yeah. So here is the tail. This is the so up there, the second level there. That's where another exit and departure and arrival. So we go through to the baggage claim here. This way is all the jet deep. It's cooler here. It's nice and cool inside now. Yeah, much better here. So we're walking towards the baggage claim. Cái cần lái vô cái van. Cần lái vô cái van của chỗ chênh exit here. Chỗ chênh. Inside, this is inside Siem Reap Airport. This is a nice lookout here, view here. So we're going to go down to the baggage claim downstairs. Yes, going in here. Good afternoon, good morning. Baggage claim down here.
You are accessing the escalator. Please use the handrail. Caution, you are accessing the escalator. Please use the handrail.
Baggage claim.